conditioning, you need to have the proper electrical equipment to also work on it. Air conditioning is not just adding refrigerant, as some of you know it as Freon. Air conditioning can be an electrical problem and not a refrigerant problem. So if you have a problem with your air conditioning, please come and see me, Francisco's Automotive Repair. Call us with your questions, 714-375-2661.